In the previous video, I showed you how to use the Google keyword tool to do keyword research, and I also showed you how to use mods to check for keyword difficulty just to make sure the keyword isn't difficult to rank. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use one of my favorite tools called SEMrush to do keyword research and also check for keyword difficulty. You'll be using this tool a lot throughout this course, so make sure you sign up now. It's $69 per month. If you do have the budget, then go ahead and get it. If you don't, you can still use it for free, but limited. There is a link down below this video. Use it and get a huge discount. Now, here is the SEMrush dashboard. Here we have domain analytics, keyword analytics, project, my report. What we are going to use here is the keyword analytics. Don't worry about the domain analytics, as I will show you how it works in the later coming videos. So now all you have to do is to just click on the keyword analytics. Now don't let anything scare you here, as this tool is very easy to use. So here we have overview, phrase match, related keywords, art history, keyword difficulty, and SEO keyword magic. Well, they are all self-explanatory. So what you are going to use here is the SEO keyword magic. So just click on it and then enter the keyword right here. And if you remember, we did first search for how to get X back using the Google keyword tool. So once you do that, just click on search. And here you can see all the keywords right here. So you can click girlfriend and it's going to show up all the related keywords from girlfriend. All right. So here you can just go through every keyword here until you find what you are looking for. All right. So here you can include the keywords you want to include. Here you can put in the keywords you want to exclude. And here you can even choose the volume you want to search for. And here the keyword difficulty, you can select which one you want. And same goes for the cost per click, and same goes for the competition. And here the SERP features, you can choose anyone you like. All right, but leave everything for now. So once you already found your keyword, all you have to do is to go to keyword difficulty. And if you remember, we used the Google keyword tool to find our keyword, how to get ex-girlfriend back. So just put that one here and click on show difficulty. And here you can see the difficulty is 73.38. Well, what one will ask is this difficult to rank, or is it easy to rank? Well, in my opinion, this keyword would be very easy to rank. Not because it's 73, because what I've checked about this site is now if you remember, we used the keyword difficulty in the mods tool to also check for this, and here the difficulty showed 39. All right, and here it's showing 73.38. Well, each tool has its own way of calculating this and displaying its own numbers. So for me, I always rely on the mods keyword difficulty tool. So if it's 39, it's very easy to rank. If it's 73, it's still easy to rank. Now the next thing I would like to show you here is the overview. Well, the overview is going to bring up every detail about this keyword. So just copy the keyword and then come to overview and then put in the keyword right here and then click on search. And here you can see it all says live update. So it's bringing you everything live, from organic search to paid search to cost per click distribution. And here it shows the trends. So here you can see all the phrase match keywords, all right here, and here you can see all the related keywords right here. So you can just take all these keywords and build a site around it, or build an article around it. And here you can see all the organic search results. Well, these sites you see here, they are all going to be your competitors. So another way to do this is to just go to Google and then just type in the keyword right there. You'll see the sites that are ranking from first page to the last page of Google.